Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of mail on MacBook Pro. Logging out of your mail on MacBook Pro is super easy. So let's get started. The first method I'm going to teach you is by temporarily stop using an email account. Simply go ahead and open up the Mail application from your MacBook Pro and then click on Mail at the top left corner. Click the Preference tab from the list and click on the Accounts tab from the top of the screen. Once you are done, select the email account you would like to log out of and go ahead and click on the Mail tab from the top left corner and click on Accounts from the pop-up. Now, select the email account you would like to log out of and then make sure to uncheck the box right next or right in front of Mail. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log out of Mail on MacBook Pro. This will now disable the account in Mail without removing it. If you ever want to reactivate the account, you can simply click on the Mail at the top left and click on Accounts and then select your email account and recheck the Mail icon. So that is how you can easily use the first method to log out of a Mail account on MacBook Pro. The next method is by removing the email account. So in order to do that, you will need to open up the Mail app on your MacBook Pro and click on the Mail option at the top left and select the Accounts tab. Select the email from the account you would like to remove and click on it. Once you've selected it, click on the minus option at the bottom and click on OK. And doing this will completely remove the account from your Mail and deletes its associated emails from your MacBook. So that is how you can easily log out of Mail on MacBook Pro. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.